What if I told you your ideal client can actually find you? And this is all with the help of your human design chart. So here's exactly how to make that happen. I'm Danielle, and I created a $1.2 million personal brand using these exact strategies that I share with you on my channel. So first you want to ask yourself, what am I really good at helping other people with? So maybe you're really good at tech or coding or even being the greatest classroom mom. The thing that you're really good at, but you notice other people aren't that great at. And this is the thing that comes really easy to you. It's very natural for you to be gifted and good at this thing. It's so easy for you, you could potentially overlook it. So let me give you an example. I have this client who develops web pages, and she was just burnt out of creating the same old web pages for the clients that were coming to her for help. And when we got really specific, what she wanted to do was create boutique experiences for not just her clients, but the clients that would end up going through her web pages. So she went from web page builder to boutique web designer. And after that shift, her ideal client found her, and she was paid $25,000 in 8 weeks. So you never want to bypass your natural inclination, the thing that comes really easy and effortless to you, because that's the thing that your ideal clients will come out of the woodwork to pay you for. And this is how we can create wealth easy. Like sales become effortless, investments start to become effortless, because we're leaning into the thing that we already are. It's our natural tendency. And when we expose that and allow other people to see that as well, the natural inclination is your ideal clients come out and find you and pay you. I like to say, dump the traditional ideal client avatar work and really start seeing when your clients are coming to you, what are they bringing you as themes? Maybe you're attracting clients who have issues with money, or they struggle with their health, or maybe their relationships are in upheaval. And you're seeing these patterns and these themes with the clients who have already come and already paid you. So this is where the human design chart comes in really handy. There's an aspect of the human design chart where you can look at your gene keys. And in the gene key profile, there's a sphere of vocation. Now, for example, my vocation is 26. And the shadow energy here is nervousness or crisis prone. So when I'm thinking about how I can best serve my clients, I'm thinking about, where do these people sit? Where are they congregating? What are they talking about? What problems are they looking to get solved? Why haven't they been able to solve them already on their own? What's in their way? And I know they're obviously sitting in a frequency of nervousness, anxiety, frustration. Maybe their lives are operating like a soap opera. Nothing just seems to go right for them. They're crisis prone. Maybe their finances are in disarray. And this is our core wound. This is the thing we've always been through and suffered through and gotten to the other side of. So I can relate to my ideal client looking at my vocation sphere because I've been where they are. And I'm just a few years ahead of them. So this is just so important because you want to lean into your natural energetic themes instead of basing your ideal client on an avatar that you're making up based on what someone else told you would make you more money. So when you try to force the ideal client thing, what you're really doing is going against your own grain. And when you go against your grain, you're energetically blocking your ideal clients from finding you. And then you're blocking your bank account from receiving any more money. So this can be challenging, but you have to remember that not everyone with money is your ideal client. So I like to break down clients in two ways. There are soul-aligned clients and there are opportunity clients. Soul-aligned clients are effortless and easy to work with. Payments go through. There's not a lot of fear around investing with you. They're in the work with you. They're staying in it. They don't give up easy. They're asking you lots of great questions. They're stretching you to be better even. And even through any kind of challenges, they're sticking with you and they're staying because they feel the difference. And even through any kind of challenges that may come up, they're sticking with the work because they're committed to seeing the change in themselves. So opportunity clients really give us an opportunity to find what we don't like and improve our game. These clients show up to show us where our business lacks boundaries, where we can improve our contracts, our terms of service. Opportunity clients show us where we lack our own belief in our own product. So when you find yourself sitting in a frequency of, I need more clients, I need more money from the clients, then you're in this pool of attracting more clients that are very needy and need you in a way that compromises your boundaries. However, if you have a strict process of filtering and bringing in these soul-aligned clients, then you can better pre-qualify them and have a much easier, easeful workflow. So don't allow your fear of scarcity, your lack of trust to cloud what you're really here to do. You're really here to help the people you're meant to serve. And when you're helping everyone just because they have money, you're leaving no room for the ones that are your ideal soul-aligned clients. And when you're working with all the right people, those people become your raving fans because the feeling is mutual. So if you're looking to find more soul-aligned clients, then I want to invite you into my free Facebook group, Billionaire Beliefs by Design. We take human design and your wealth codes, and we find your ideal clients, the ones who are ready to pay, the ones that are grateful to pay, and we connect the two of you. You can find the link in the description, and I'll see you there.